The rise of English. Today, English is used by at least 750 million people, and barely half of those speak it as a mother tongue. Some estimates have put that figure closer to 1 billion. Whatever the total, English at the end of the 20th century is more widely scattered, more widely spoken and written, than any other language has ever been. It has become the language of the planet, first truly global language. The statistics of English are astonishing. Of all the world's languages, which now number some 2,700, it is arguably the richest in vocabulary. The compendious Oxford English Dictionary lists about 500,000 words, and a further 500,000 technical and scientific terms remain uncatalogued. According to traditional estimates, neighboring German has a vocabulary of about 185,000 words and French fewer than 100,000, which include such franglais as le hit parade. About 350 million people use the English language as a mother tongue, a linguistic population scattered across every continent and surpassed, in distribution, only by the speakers of the many varieties of Chinese. 3/4 of the world's mail, and its telexes and cables, are in English. So are more than half the world's technical and scientific periodicals. It is the language of technology from Silicon Valley to Shanghai. English is the medium for 80% of the information stored in the world's computers. Nearly half of all business deals in Europe are conducted in English. It is the language of sports and glamour, the official language of the Olympics and the Miss Universe competition. English is the official voice of the air, of the sea, and of Christianity. It is the ecumenical language of the World Council of Churches. 5 of the larger broadcasting companies in the world, CBS, NBC, ABC, BBC, CBC, transmit in English to the audiences that can exceed 100 million.